Meaning of disgusted.
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 Disgusted. The word disgusted generally means feeling a strong aversion or revulsion towards something. It can be used to describe an intense feeling of distaste, loathing, or abhorrence. Someone who is disgusted might have a physical reaction, such as gagging, or may express their disgust verbally or through body language. This feeling can be triggered by a variety of things, including sights, smells, tastes, or behaviors. Overall, being disgusted is a powerful emotion that typically results in an urgent desire to avoid or remove oneself from the source of the feeling.